Yes, new concept in journalism, especially after Pahalgam attack, and journalists facing problem in Kashmir, that is challenging journalism. Of course, journalism has lot of types: old journalism, new journalism. As Janmat editor Tushar Raze said, there is old journalism, new journalism, trends in journalism, but now challenging journalism, because journalists who are visiting in Kashmir, I spoke to some journalists. Some journalists want to visit Kashmir and they are planning to visit Kashmir, and they are speaking right now with the journalists who visited the Kashmir after Pahalgam attack. So what are their experiences? That is called as challenging journalism, because uncertainty is a major challenge in front of any journalist who is going to visit Pahalgam or any part of Kashmir to cover current situation. So challenging journalism is a new concept, especially for the journalist. Of course, it is there for tourists. Of course, tourist is one aspect, but now journalist is going with the purpose. So purpose is most important and prime aspect. So they will be facing the problem of challenges, continuous challenges. The challenges can be from weather, challenges can be from any unstable situations, challenges can be from persons or any types of challenges. So challenging journalism itself is a challenge. I give best wishes to the journalists who are going with all proper documentation to Kashmir, legal documentation to Kashmir, to cover current situation in Kashmir. याचं थोडक्यात मराठीत मी भाषांतर करतो. आव्हानात्मक पत्रकारिता हा सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा याच्यामध्ये येतो. पत्रकारितेचे बरेच प्रकार आहेत, पण आता जे जर्नलिस्ट किंवा जे पत्रकार काश्मीरला जाऊ इच्छितात त्यांच्या समोरची नेमकी आव्हानं काय आहेत? त्यातली सगळ्यात आव्हानं आहेत ती जीवशास्त्रीय आव्हानं आहेत, म्हणजे जीवाला धोका असण्यापासूनची जी आव्हानं आहेत, आणि त्या आव्हानांशी ते कसा सामना करतात हे पाहणं महत्त्वाचं ठरेल. धन्यवाद.